for the smoke.
Where is he?
Last player standing.
There's helping shower. One bench, one shower.
They're going over +5. Oh yeah, they're going over stuff. Oh nah, they're going over stuff. For sure. Yo. Server time?
Default. Long.
96 chamber, 41 and 47.
Oh my god!
He knows that Scuba is going to be up against the odds. The deck is stacked against NRG. Such the Brock has to try and work his way into B with an Odin. Good start. Lovers rock out the game. Player advantage still there for BBL, and Brock needs to find more.
How? Holy hell, Brock's done a madness. We've lost the casters. He's pulled out his cable in the excitement. That's a nuts 2v4.
We're still going.
Mate. He's too good with the Odin, bro. It's criminal.
It feels like BBL, their bandwidth's so taxed, they've got no mind.
Just how, bro?
Brock is encroaching from behind. Catch him on the corner.
No one expects him to push the smoke. Guy back his side isn't facing the smoke either.
Through the smoke.
Why is everyone tucked in so scared? They're so scared to lose the round.
I cannot believe
no one wants to be at fault for losing the round, and they end up all being at fault because no one's really doing anything.
Has been
oh brother.
How far do they go? There's no util here to spot it until grass.
That's okay, and then they take the TP back, maybe because they're feeling the pressure through Garage with the owl drone coming in, but they're still taken down here, yeah. He could be the ultimate dagger in the back. They have no clue about it. Devi ready. Oh dear, this could be the heartbreak. And oh no, Devi with a missed shot. It's now on Forsaken to stand tall. He's taken 3, breaking their hearts in the back lines. And gets
the TP as well.
Forsaken is like no other. Elevating above and going beyond. It's all on Kiko.
Another ace to close the map for Forsaken.
Oh my god, what a ridiculous play. Holy shit. Holy shit. That was nuts. Damn.
Trying to play to the time, add some pressure. But now, brutality!
No way, what is that, bro? What is that?
My god!
How does he hit them? I got no idea how he's hit them. I need to see the second guy's POV. They must look mad from his POV.
They are
absolute madness!
They are just absolutely fixated towards
Dude, his crosshair was everywhere, and then he's tapped him. He's tapped him.
And he gets into the weirdest pocket against the box.
I mean, his reposition was so smart.
He's gonna play through that. And the second shot, look at this.
What the?
It's not even the bullet he's intending to land. He goes for the panic ADS.
Oh, it's beautiful. It is so beautiful.
Just an actual one tap.
Yep, just keep
He looks so good with the gloves.
Left hand jab.
Walk on the one way there.
That's going to be tough for him to live through here, I think. Yeah, I think he knows.
Oh my god, what a tether.
He might not be going
Oh my god, bro, what a round.
Down A. The start and end of this round might be with him. And with 5 bullets to play with, there's still someone on the site. They're going to send in
just
something.
fade ult him, and then he can't hit the ult get out.
This one, something going to pop out of the ult.
Oh, he TP'd it. He actually TP'd over it. Bro, the level of play in this round is mind-blowing.
Down this site on his own. The crowd want it. Does he get the chance at it? 30 seconds left. Brock gonna find a target. Devi dead. Now on 1v2. Don't think this is done yet. Brock's got ult. Pops it. Envy getting closer. He's thought about it. He's just.
This might be the highest level round in terms of like micro plays I've ever
Trying
seen.
to find him 15 seconds. Can he locate one? A tough task. He spots it, but he's in between a rock and a
that is unbelievable to watch, by the way. This is the most stacked round I think I've ever seen in Valorant.
Guys, please don't. Not gonna happen.
No!
Just yet with the trade.
Good tether!
3v2. EU trying to get up close. 1 HP though gets found. Freeney around. Paper X. They've taken the lead.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, it's one thing to get close. It's second.
Don't get eco.
To try and get
give you a Russian standard speech. Like Nazi.
What energy are we saving, guys? For the airport?
For an airport in 3 days.
For airport in 3 days, ah!
Tell you what, by the way.
I don't think they'll get the confirmation here on the drone either.
Now already, I don't think that was the game plan as it's fallen to pieces. 3 kills.
It's a great call from BBL, I'm not gonna lie.
Everything they need. EU desperate to do something about it though. Denies the back line, forcing them forward. And of course, Artston still alive. The one who made it possible. The one who stood above the rest.
Oh,
now
mate.
being
Ooh.
challenged by everything BBL has.
And they didn't overheat.
EU trying to get closer. Rose. No!
Oh, Jesus Christ, no. No, no, no. No. Not like that. That's so devastating. No. No, 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 no. I don't want to watch that. that felt horrible. Oh, shit, bro. That was hard to watch. No, the Odin, bro.
And I expect that is just multiply that frustration significantly.
For sure. Celeste now you're into fucking sucks.
Dude, Celeste is too strong still. I'll say it. I'll stand up. But there you go. Fangir's TP went off the fucking map, bro.
Bit of back and forth. Trent.
Surely he knows, right?
It got destroyed from falling off.
How deep
it gets destroyed?
I think if it hits the bottom, yeah.
pinch though, but he's got backup.
He put it back in. He put one.
Mata, this is the greed, brother.
Divine.
Brother. Mata.
Gonna make him work for this.
Mata, you have 5 bullets, brother. Reload.
Ace or not. He's
Honestly, Mata, fuck it, Waylay Olsen.
Oh,
shit! He's absolutely
Oh, he's right here. Oh, he's giving him an ace. He's giving him an ace.
You lost baby! Mata!
Holy
the machine! Takes a stand!
Shit.
You don't see that every day!
Back the 2-time! That boy is cold!
To set it up here, but Marder doing, like I said,
Oh
effectively
my
has to do
God.
2 people's jobs
The
in some of these
two-time.
compositions. And he's gone over and above here.
Oh my good God.
Back-to-back aces to give NRG 7.
What the fuck was that?
Very late exploration towards mid will confirm that it's pretty much all in here.
Scuba.
Oh, we lost. We were fucked. He's here now. We lost.
Who's
Who's
clear
next?
this.
Clear it! No!
Does look,
Yes!
does see it, does note it. Paranoia comes in. Can he do any sort of damage? No. Eviscerated, but Ethan on the cross. Something's ahead.
Take our time. Take our time. Fuck, Kiko needs to die. Oh my God. Oh, he's so good.
You are something else sometimes.
He's so good.
Forsaken though.
This guy's unreal. This guy's unreal.
Forsaken needs to activate here. 18-9. He has been god tier, but with 13 seconds. Oh, he's gonna get you one. Does he get away? No. Brock grabbing him by the heel.
We have to pause, I think.
Bringing them back down to reality.
That is unreal. What Kiko just did.
Ridiculous.
From Team Liquid playing back, now starting to advance. Minibu gonna be struck down as Bitmo finds the opener. Try pop, Nats able to...
Talking to myself. Why am I talking to myself? I'm waiting for you to smoke after I flash. Like, oh my God, I'm glazing myself mid-round. Just play the fucking game, Ryan. Play the fucking game.
I fade off.
Get themselves up to 7. I've got to say it. He sits at 8-5, but Koalanoob, the hero in my mind of this half. The spark that ignited hope with Furia to give them a goddamn chance in this, but BBL are far
What a
from
read
done.
this is too. This is exactly what he thought they were gonna do. And they did exactly that.
I'm flashing up.
Set 5 more. We can do this again.